gets down on the back, wrenching on the back of Kevin Blackwood.
Tony P right there to see if Kevin Blackwood wants to submit. Not after what this young man has gone through. He's determined, wants that title shot. There is JT Dunn on top for a count of 2.
JT Dunn rolling in, hitting that cutter. Wasn't able to connect with all of it due to the awkward position of AG as he had Kevin Blackwood in that single leg grab. That may have saved him there.
And JT Dunn wants to go home with 2 trophies. Salutes the fans. Now on the outside, following up on Blackwood.
You know, the fans cheered JT Dunn as he attacked MJF, but he is still the same JT Dunn that he was when he was in the Kings.
Oh, without a doubt. Without a doubt. Did you think he was really going to change?
No. I've known him for a long time. He's always been the same. He's good at tricking people.
Anthony Greene.
What is going on here? Ace Romero got Anthony Greene up for a powerbomb. He did this before, wasn't able to hit.
AG he was trying to hang on to Dunn. Oh no!
Buckle bombs him into 2 men! Everyone down!
Blackwood right to the floor. JT Dunn off the apron. Oh!
Anthony Greene may have been cushioned by the 2 competitors. Able to come back with that super kick, but then get clotheslined out of his boots.